Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, The Life of Brian. Today, I want to show you a little something I learned the hard way. If you have bunny rabbits in your house, for example, they really like these Ethernet cables, Cat5. You can kind of see right there, that is a result of having bunny rabbits in your house. Also, I don't know if it ever happens to you, but with children, we tend to damage these things. We break the ends off of them, they snap, and you know, nothing's more frustrating than spending all kinds of money on these cables that are just going to get broken. So what I did was I bought an Ethernet cable repair kit. Got it on Amazon, Ubigear. Here are all the tools you need to make good cables. And coolest thing is this company is based out of Fremont, California. So anyway, I wanted to do a quick video on how to fix these things. This kit is pretty awesome. It comes with a little crimper tool that's designed to put these little ends, and it comes with like a whole bag of these things. There's probably 100 of them in here. And then it also comes with a cable tester so you can test your cable once you fix it. What I try to do is I take an old cable, and you can see if you look at it, most of the ends on a cable are going to be clear. And the order it is with the little push button here up on top is white, orange, white, blue, white, green, white, brown. So there's 8 little tiny wires in there, and they have to go in the correct order on both sides of the cable. What you got to do, you take these little ends, you line up the wires again, white orange, white blue, white green, and white brown. If you don't get these in right, they will not work. The cable will not work correctly. You put them all in that like that, you kind of spread them out. I like to spread them out first. The little prong release on top, kind of slide them in. They each have a little slot that they go into. I watched a professional do this one time, and he'd probably done thousands of these cables. The guy that did my internet here at the house, and the guy just blew my mind. It was so cool how quickly he was able to do this. Takes a little practice, but there you go. You can see if you get it right, it just slides right in, and then you got them all lined up. You take your little Ubi tool, this snaps in to there, and then you squeeze that in. It has little tiny pins that as you squeeze this, it snaps it into place, drives those little pins up into the wire to make a connection, and then it has a little lock pin right here that it also closes in. So there you go. It comes with this handy dandy little wire stripper in the kit too. So you throw that in, take about 1/2 inch off, spin it carefully. It's got a razor blade on there. You don't want to cut it too deep because you'll cut into those little wires. You know, you could go out and you could buy brand new cables. I hate throwing stuff away if I don't have to. I like to, you know, just kind of old school, like I like to repair stuff. Now, the coolest thing about this little kit, well, one of the cool things about it, I like about it, is that it has a tester. So you plug both ends of your cable in, like so. And then, see if we got it. Yes, we did it. So I hope you enjoyed. It's not really a product review. The thing's awesome. I mean, if you need one of these, if you find yourself with rabbits in your house, kids that break their internet cables all the time, we use them because we don't like having a lot of Wi-Fi going on in the house, so we try to hardwire everything we can. And this works good for us. So I hope you enjoyed my video. If you like the stuff that I do, please like and subscribe to my channel. I'd love to share with you all of my adventures. Thanks for watching.